All right, good afternoon, everybody here. I got a question on what I'm going to do with this OXY short strangle that I have on. Now, it's been running like crazy, so I decided the best scenario here to do is just turn this trade into an iron fly. By doing that, it'll buy me some time because there's 39 days left before having to go fully inverted. I don't want to do that yet. So follow along here. I'm going to go ahead and roll this live. Hopefully we get an instant fill and you guys can see how it's done right now instantly. Okay, here we go. So OXY, all right, we're going to go over here. We are in that July cycle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy to close those 10 strikes. Thank you, Ben. You are right. An straddle, not an iron fly. An iron fly has the long legs attached to it. So thank you for that correction. We're going to turn it into a straddle. So what we do here is we buy that 10 strike back. Okay. And then we're going to come over, re-record it. I'm not going to re-record it. We're good. Makes me, I'm human, right? I forget things. And we're going to come over here and in the same trade, we're going to sell that 17.5 strike. Okay. That is roughly right now, it's trading about 71 cents. So it's not the greatest, but that's just because those calls are pretty deep in the money, but it buys us some time in case we see a pullback in the market. I won't be fully inverted just yet. All right. As you can see right now, it's not going to increase my buying power. It's not going to decrease my buying power. It's just going to give me an additional 71 cents. So we got, $1.08 when we put the original trade on. My goal here is for an instant fill at 71 cents. So we'll hit review, send, cost of commissions, no big deal. Send it off. No instant fill. Why do I never get instant fills on live trading? So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to drop it down to 70 cents here and see. There's the instant fill. 70 cents is where it's trading. Okay. So now I've received a total of $1.78 in credit on this overall trade. We now have a straddle on. And if I show the analysis here, this is where I stand currently now to make my profit, right? Right here, 16 and 19 are my break-even points. Need to pin that 17.5 to hit that max profit of, don't look at it's going to actually be $1, what did I say? $1.78 will be my max profit. P&L will be a little funky because of the rolls here. But so now this gives some time for it to maybe come on back down, right? And then if not, we'll go ahead and do another roll, preferably next week would be ideal because that'll put us about 30 days. All right. So that's it, you guys. That's how you roll your puts up to defend the trade a little bit. And if you've got any questions, please go ahead and put them in the comment section. I will gladly answer them. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. I appreciate everything. Have a great rest of your day.